we have to share the tables. Oh, we have to share tables. And he used to live in India, right?
Yeah.
How was the experience?
About India?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I don't want to be anymore in India.
Honest opinion. Yeah.
But it's nice people.
Yeah.
People is very nice.
There are people waiting on the stairs, and the average waiting time I've been told is 30 to 40 minutes.
So there's one restaurant in Seoul where people don't mind waiting in line or even sharing tables.
I think this is one of food coma.
Look at this.
Look at where the line is.
See where the line is. This was the best lunch we could have had before leaving Korea, right?
Today, we are heading again to Myeongdong Gyoza, and if you're new here, consider subscribing and let's see if Myeongdong Gyoza lives up to the hype.
So guys, last time we came here, there was no line. I checked this out. This is the same restaurant. We have a line on the back, to the back, yeah? So, different time, different experiences. I told you, this is the lunch time on a Sunday, most crowded. So, plan your visit to Gyoza accordingly. You might have thought that day that, oh, it's not a very famous restaurant. There are people waiting on the stairs, and the average waiting time I've been told is 30 to 40 minutes. So guys, you can see we are on the stairs now, and you can see on that day we did not find so much value because we were thinking, you know, oh, it's not very crowded. Look at this and look around the side.
Look at where the line is.
See where the line, it's actually moving. The line is actually moving, so yeah. And you can see it's in the end, goes a long way back. So we will get some food first. Guys, we are arguably in the most famous restaurant, or we are going to the most famous place to eat in Myeongdong. The most touristy area, and also, but like, I think generally the food is very good. See. Oh, they have sitting outside also, I think. Last time they did not, you know? Yes, we have reached, and also no, you have to pay in advance. Three items, and you always pay in advance. Yes. Just from the stairs, and also there is another stairs on the back which we used last time, but this time we are using the normal stairs. I think the one people usually use. Actually, the line is moving pretty quick, so you don't have to worry. Yeah. So guys, we have already paid and we had our order ready. So yeah, now we are just finding our seats. Oh, we have to share the tables? Oh, we have to share tables. You might also need to share tables, right? So yes, we are sharing tables. Not just us, a lot of people. Like on the back. Are you excited? Food is there again.
I think this is one of food coma.
So guys, we just finished it and we are literally in a food coma. How are you feeling? Oh, it's too much, but everything's done. So guys, the portion sizes are very big. So if you're two people, I would suggest just ordering 2 dishes or even maybe 1. Like, it's too much to eat.
Finish 3, but you should also mention that.
We are Indians, like like other people don't eat as much. So I would recommend maybe maximum is 2. I don't know about the minimum, but maximum is definitely 2 dishes. I think that will make you have a good time.
Tell them how much did you order? 3 dishes.
Yeah.
Everything is finished.
We are an exception because, you know, I am with an exception. Check her out. So guys, we are sharing tables almost. And he used to live in India, right?
Yeah.
And he used to live in Noida, right?
Yeah.
How was the experience?
About India?
Yeah. So.
I'm sorry, I don't want to be anymore in India.
So guys, okay. Honest opinion. Yeah.
But it's nice people.
Yeah.
People is very nice.
Yeah. I think that is what we can agree. He lived in Noida, right? Yeah. In India for 2 years, he mentioned. So guys, we're done now. We're going, and still the line is very big, no? Food coma. The figure is in a food coma, right? Yes. Right. So guys, we are outside and it's lunchtime. So yeah, it's outside this. I think this is a new hotel or something. I don't know.
What's the time, yaar?
Wow. This was the best lunch we could have had before leaving Korea, right? I think next lunch would be also in a very interesting place. So I will let you know. It's in a very interesting flight, I would say. So stay tuned. We just exited and the line is now outside. I wanted to show you Myeongdong Gyoza. And this is the street where you have to come, or probably this side. It's near M Playground or the van showroom. you're looking for Indian food, I think this is the restaurant, Gurkha. But I mean, for us, it's no point of eating it here right now. So. And it's a nice vibe, I would say. Just check it out. We are going to Olive Young for the 900th time in 10 days. Dakshika got a free Olive Young pouch. You can get it, right?
Are
I
you
just
happy?
wanted the pouch, yes, guys.